Hello my lovely ravens, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantel and today we have the Your Creative Studio July. Now I know I'm like 2 or 3 weeks behind of everyone else, but that's just the thing when you live in Australia, you get everything late. So let's just open it up. Let's see what we have inside. As always, there's the sticker and there's the thank you card. I did see the word capture on here, so maybe it has to do something with photography, and I can see a photography, a little dude on there, so I can't really see what it says though, but that's okay. There's normally a quote there, but I can't really read it. Anyway, let's carefully, hold on. I can lift it up and then everything falls out. Of course it does. Anyway. Let's open it this way. I do love this paper, so, you know. Because look how gorgeous that is. We can definitely reuse that, yeah. Anyway. Okay, I can see a little charm that fell out. And I hope you still like these unboxings, because I love unboxing these little treasures of paper and ephemera and stamps and, you know, all things stationery related or junk journaling related. So as long as you guys enjoy it, or you ladies enjoy it, because I don't think that many guys watch my videos, I will keep doing them. There is a little charm, a little camera, which is completely and totally adorable. Let's see, we have a, that looks like a chicken stamp, a chicken, it's, it's a rooster, okay. It is a rooster with a photo camera and some goggles on and a little bow tie. He's freaking adorable. I'll test him out in a minute. So we have that one. Then this is another stamp and it looks like an old camera. Oh, we have two things in here. That looks like an old camera. And a film reel. Or film, really, just film. So that's that. We have more stamps. Yes, we have another stamp here. This one is another camera, I think. You gotta love these little envelopes, right? Yes, I think this is another camera. It's very dark. But there we have it, another camera. We'll try these out in a minute. Yeah, washi tape. I was gonna say Your Creative Studio masking tape, but it's yeah, washi. And we have, ooh, that is cool. This is all kinds of cameras and equipment, I suppose. Yeah. How far does it continue? Oh, up to there. So there's quite a bit there. That's a lot of designs in a little strip of washi tape. So that's all kinds of awesome. I like this. I like this. This so ties in with a vintage theme, right? It can be used anywhere, really. What is this little box? Post box. Plastic was unnecessary. Oh, this looks a lot like what we got last month. with the little stamps, and yes, it is definitely that. Vintage ads, and yeah, just that really. I do like it though. It's great for collaging this. So there's some stickers. What is this? This looks like just a pack of paper. Oops, stay there. That's a soft touch. Oh, this is see-through. And yes, this is just a pack of, it looks a little bit canvasy, but there's that design and that design. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 designs in this paper pack, which is just vintage collage papers, which is great. I think it's great. This is a midnight letter, 30 pieces. So I think these are just 30 random pieces of ephemera. Let's have a look what it is. Got some escapees here. So we have some, oh, it's very hard to see on camera. Let's see. Let's zoom in a little bit. So these are some washi stickers. Then we have some more washi stickers here with a rabbit on a bicycle. This is also washi stickers. Write a letter. They might all be stickers, but and some more washi stickers. Clocks. This is, I think, just a piece of paper. So we have 2 of those and 2 of this design. And then we have more square papers, 2 of this one and 2 of that one. And then we have, this is another piece of paper. Yeah, these are papers. And then 2 of this one. Oh, upside down. What are these? Griffins or something? It's a little variety pack. It's not bad. Tags, a bit Alice in Wonderlandy. And these ones. We have some different like tickets here. Sometimes though with these quotes, what is this life if full of care? Like it doesn't make sense at all to me, but... And then a piece of twine. So it's a nice variety pack, this one. What is this? I'm saying what is this a lot. This is just a camera pouch, I think. Yep. I assume this is just, yeah, it's like a money pouch. Would I use it? No. Maybe if I take the backing off and then just use this front in a journal, maybe. Would I like it again in a future box? I'm not sure. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Do you think something like this belongs in a box like this? I'm not sure. It might be just an extra gift, but they could have just, you know, done it with a piece of paper. Like a paper pack something rather, because I enjoyed it a lot more than a camera pouch. Let's move on to the next one. Alright, this one is called Time Travel, and there is like a faux letter on the back of this. And honestly, it doesn't make sense. I'm not even gonna read it out to you because it doesn't. But that being said, there are some lovely papers in here, I must say. A lot of vintage ones. Like we have different sizes. So there's square ones. in white or whitish, beige and brown papers, and they are, yeah, really nice. Then we have more of that same like brown and beige papers in a different size, and then we have an even bigger size, and it's the same thing. That is from the Titanic news article. It's a bit sad. That's also from the Titanic. I suppose this joins in with the travel theme, I suppose. Yeah. Oh, it's not travel theme, it's photography, but yeah, travel, whatever. Time Traveler is from this this pack, but yeah, you know, travel, photography, it all joins in together. Yeah. Next up, there is this is the paper ephemera from your creative studio. So this belongs probably with this. Yep, and with this. So this is the rice paper that we get with this month. I'm pretty sure it's 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So that's lovely. And then we have these are just pieces of a little bit thicker paper, not quite cardstock. Yep. And then we have 2 of these. Another 2 of those. There's 2 of each design. I suppose it would be great if you would just put a photo on here. These have a bit of a different... okay, so these are the same ones, but they have like a canvasy... a canvas texture. So that's a nice change. Yeah, I do like that. Yep, so that's the paper ephemera for this pack. And then these are the papers. Oh, there's also obviously the Your Creative Studio sticker sheet with clear stickers of cameras. I think that would be great for a bullet journal. And then obviously we can use that. But then there's the papers. They've done the same thing. So there's a thicker piece of paper. It might even be sticker. I don't know. Is this a sticker? Yeah, it is a sticker. So there's a sticker, 2 pieces of thinner paper, just like printer paper. And then there is vellum. And I love that vellum, because you can see through it. So there's the same for all these. So these are lovely. I love this. There's the vellum again. We have a camera. And I don't quite know what this is, but it's just like a mixed media kind of paper. Photography. Again with I love that vellum. Love it, love it. And camera. Yeah, I love this. I like this a lot better than the previous pack. That was florals. This is way more up my alley. So let me know in the comments down below what you think of this pack. I should really stamp these out for you, shouldn't I? Yeah. Let me do that and I'll be back in a second for you. So I stamped out the stamps on some vellum or some tracing paper. If you don't know what vellum is, it's basically tracing paper. It acts the same. And I used a StazOn Jet Blank ink by Tsukineko. And they stamp beautifully. And there's that weird chicken. He would be a nice addition for, yeah, a funky travel journal, I suppose. A funky chicken. But yeah, gorgeous stamps. And yeah, what do you think of this box? Let me know in the comments. And also, didn't get a lot of feedback from my last unboxing. If you would like to see me create something with the box, so for now this will just be an unboxing. Let me know also what you think of the addition in this box. And yeah, I did enjoy this theme though for this month. And I thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye bye.